My friends, we are bag making machine and stamping machine and die cutting machine supply. Let me show you, these are handheld welding bags. Handheld welding vacuum bags processing works well by our machine. Our machine can also 3-side sealing bags, make vacuum bags processing and so on. We're the big experienced company which expert for special shaped bag die cutting machine, punching window and hot stamping machine, bag making machine manufacturers. Looking for your further inquiry and sample testing. High quality staff team and protects rights, so that our machines are exported to more than 30 countries.